Who you with? Who?
There is another form of trust known as bridging trust, which is available to us as citizens. If bonding trust is the age-old system built around in-groups and out-groups that focuses on resource scarcity, then bridging trust empowers the individual. Bonding trust was born out of scarcity of resources, whereas bridging trust allows the individual to pursue one's dreams in a realm of abundance. Bonding trust is about obligations to one's group to maintain status so that you can survive. Bridging trust is about individualism rightly understood, with a sense of community so that you can bridge beyond your in-group and thrive. Bonding trust is very, very old, thousands and thousands of years old. It's as old as humankind. Bridging trust is new and flourishes in liberal democracies and open markets. It requires active, responsible leadership. Bridging trust was built on the shoulders of bonding trust. Again, it's that individualism that is rightly understood with a hint of connection to our communal past. Bonding trust in this time of social churn is fueled by divisionism and contempt. Rooftop leadership goes the other direction from divisionism. It focuses on bridging across one's group toward a shared future and a shared narrative. This is what we're building at Rooftop Leadership. Nobody else is coming, and we need you to lead us at a community level and beyond. Join our Rooftop Leadership community and subscribe to the Rooftop Leadership podcast on your favorite platforms such as iTunes, Spotify, and Stitcher. And please leave us a 5-star review. I'll see you on the rooftop.